Today we're making an Atlantic Beach pie, which hails from North Carolina, and it's a tangy, sweet, citrusy pie that's so unique because it starts with a saltine crust. So let's get to it. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, add your crushed saltine crackers, which I made in the food processor to crush them, but you could put them in a Ziploc baggie and beat them with a rolling pin. You're going to add your melted butter, your granulated sugar, and one large egg white, and mix well until combined. This pie crust, guys, is what really makes this pie. It's salty, it's sweet, it's really unexpected, and just simply irresistible. It balances out the citrus, tangy flavors. If you're unfamiliar where Atlantic Beach is, it's on the Crystal Coast of North Carolina. That's our family on our vacation on the Crystal Coast. It is such a beautiful place to visit, and this is a southern pie that you just find right there. The area is known for it. You mix your pie crust really, really well. This is what it looks like, some coarse crumbles. Next, we're gonna add it to our 9-inch pie crust. Pie plate. Firmly press the crumbs into your pie plate on the bottom and the sides. I like to use a measuring cup to really get that nice firm texture, really press down into it. Be patient because next you have to freeze the pie for 10 minutes. And then after that, you're gonna put it in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes until golden brown, then let it cool. When your pie crust is baking in the oven, you're going to get started on the custard. This is the bottom layer, and in a medium mixing bowl, you're going to add a whole can of sweetened condensed milk. I love desserts with sweetened condensed milk. I could eat it straight out of the can. It is one of my favorite textures to add to any dessert, so I really like to get every last little bit into the bowl, and you're going to whisk it together with 4 egg yolks. This is what's going to give it that nice custard texture. Once the milk and the yolks are mixed well, you're going to add in your juices. It has a lemon lime flavor. You're going to add 1/4 cup of lime juice and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Please try to use fresh. It's going to make such a difference in the flavors of your pie. I used about 6 limes, by the way, and 2 lemons. Once you gently combine everything and mix it well, it's going to be this thick kind of custardy texture. It's going to have a little lemon lime yellowish color to it. I really like making this pie during the summer months because it's light and it's refreshing. Think about Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, any summery occasion. It's a great dessert after you've had a heavy barbecue meal where you want something sweet, but it's not overpowering and too heavy. Go ahead and pour that custard mixture into your slightly warmed pie crust. Pour it in and then just gently spread it around. You're gonna bake it for 15 minutes until the center is set and let it cool for 1 hour. Once it's completely cooled, you let it chill for 2 hours. This is where you have to pack that patience I was telling you. Easy recipe, but be patient. When your pie is almost done chilling, you're going to create your whipped topping. This is so easy to do in the mixer. You take 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1/4 cup powdered sugar, also known as confectioner's sugar, and you are going to whip it until it forms stiff peaks. Now, if you're making this pie ahead of time for an event, after you have chilled your pie, you want to keep it chilled for however long until your event. So if it needs to be 6 hours instead of 2 hours, that's fine. Add your whipped topping right at the end. You see these stiff peaks? That's what it's gonna look like. So when you're ready, right before serving the pie, you are gonna spread your whipped topping on the chilled pie right over the top. I keep it really thick. This is my favorite part. Spread it around, make that beautiful second layer topping. Garnish the top of the pie with lime zest and lime slices in the center of pie if desired. Serve immediately. You can find the full recipe at savvymamalifestyle.com. Link is in the video description. All right, here's my finished slice of Atlantic Beach pie. You can see the lemon lime custard layer and the whipped topping. This is so refreshing for any summer occasion. Such an easy recipe. You just have to be patient, like I said, with your refrigeration, freezing process, but it's so good. Let's try it. It's really good. It's light, it's airy, it's refreshing. I really love this. Give this a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have any recipe questions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy recipes like this Atlantic Beach pie and family travel. Thanks for joining.